Well, Brandon be stupid. I'm going over here. Cause I got a whole shit ton of bottle rockets. He's gonna try to do it again. Fuckers. There's enough room on this phone to record all the time. Get off our bridge. Just trying to get past. You doing a Roman candle? God damn it, Justin. Hey, Brandon.
Yo.
There we go.
It'd just been easier to move the car over here.
No, I'm not having my car blow up from Brandon's weird shit. You saw the very first one he had. I don't trust my car over here. Safe and sorry, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
It's my only thing to get me to and from work.
Someone else might blow it up, you never know. The fire department's down there.
Yeah, I know.
You gonna go light that big dog off?
Oh yeah, here pretty soon.
You flick the wicks towards all the fireworks, you're like, I'm not scared.
What?
All the ashes, there's fireworks all over.
What, from the cigarette? That won't
Yeah.
light it, just teeny ash.
It will.
I'd have to put it on something like that.
Light it with your cigarette. Them the kind of rockets you bought that blow up on the ground like that?
They're not supposed to. What the hell is that?
That'll cause a fire. Put that on the bridge. Get yourself a pony.
It's just a fountain.
Yeah, on the bridge.
Yeah, get me a pony.
Get one. You know
Shine
where
your
you're
light
going.
over here quick, somebody. Alright, this side up.
Stick it down backwards like people are doing at the fairground.
That's what he did.
He's got cross sparklers.
Is he finally going farther away? Why is he going all the way over there?
Because he has a big boomer.
Close to my car. Fun.
Could be a dud.
Could blow him up.
Let's hope not.
How far away from that bridge did I park my car?
I don't know.
It did what it was supposed to. Finally, goddamn.
That's a rocket.
There's a wick.
Hey, what?
There's a wick.
Put the torch on the box? Okay. Just keep that away from the fireworks now, otherwise
Yeah.
you'll be in trouble.
Yep. Justin, the punk went out.
Find them other punks you have.
Oh
the
yeah,
better
we
ones.
just got here. Alright. Alright, Bob.
Oh, here we go.
How's my Bob? Justin,
Coming out here.
get one of them neon shows rolling. Let's put mine and
Oh,
yours together,
fuck,
see
that
who
hurt.
louder.
Here, light this one.
He'll light it for you.
What?
Oh, punk.
The long ones.
There you go.
Thanks.
Save all big shells for last.
Who the fuck is that?
Couldn't tell you.
What is that?
Fountain.
Near the car.
What does that do?
It sparks.
Oh, geez, it's really close.
Daniel, don't put that near the car. Go out farther, just in case. Near the grass neither.
There we go. Justin's fucking lighting those. Holy shit.
They're like, "Ee." Oh shit. Daniel. They're like, get rid of the
Yep.
What?
Yeah, well that one. There's long fountains.
Go light this thing.
I'm not lighting that one.
You're too scared.
Brandon, you want to light that thing?
What?
That right there?
You'll light it. All it's gonna do is go ew ew. That's it. It's just like bottle rockets. That's all that is.
I'm not lighting that thing.
He's too scared.
Go light it.
Yeah, Justin, go light it.
Pipsqueak. Here you go. Go light Pipsqueak.
It's called a hula girl. Was that Brandon's?